Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to update the Google Play Store on your Android device. So for this guys, first you need to open the Google Play Store. Okay, after opening, on the top right side corner you can get your profile picture. Just tap on it. From here you need to open the settings. Okay, in the settings tap on about like this and just slightly scroll down, and here you can get the option update Play Store. Just tap on it, and here guys a new version of Google Play Store will be download and install. So this will install automatically on your device guys. From here guys you can easily update the Google Play Store on your Android phones. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.